Now we have the first position of our button, right? So what I'm going to do is to um, move the cursor to the second position and create a keyframe, which you do by pressing um, function F6. And what you do by doing that is just replicating the same image that you had in the first place, um, in the first position. But of course, I mean, you want your viewer to realize that when he's hovering over his mouse or her mouse um, over the button, there's something that changes, right? So what I'm going to do is change the color slightly. So now we know that when the button is up and untouched, it's going to be that gray color. When you're hovering over the button, it's going to be this color of gray. And now we're going to create a third keyframe function F6. So when the button is pressed, it turns into an even lighter color. So we have the up position, the over position, and the down position. We're going to talk about the head position later. Um, Now I just want to add um, a little bit of text. Let's say that I want this button to tell me where Gimme Coffee is in Ithaca. So I write Gimme in black. I can reposition it. And now I have to replicate the same because I only have this text in the first position. I have to do it again on the second and the third. And what I'm going to do is just click copy and then paste in place, which is also Shift Command and V. So Shift Command and V, and I have Gimme replicated in these three positions. Now let's see how it works. So I'm going back to scene 1 and I have the button there. In order to test the Flash movie, I press Option Command Return, and we have our button there. So it's gray when there's nothing interacting with it. It turns into a lighter color gray when I hover over my mouse. And then if I click, it turns white. Well, that is just the beginning of our process, but we know that it works. So let me close this window, and now I'm going to add one more step into this button. I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to go to this position, and when it's down, I want to have also one or two places where there's this. I want the button, when I press the button, I want it to show me where the stores are. So I'm going to use the oval tool. Let's say purple, and I'm going to mark on, it's a random location. I don't know if there's actually one Gimme Coffee there or not, but I'm going to mark one there. I'm going to put another one here. So every time I click, it's going to show these two locations. So let's see. There they are.